Competition law and economics are superconnected fields that control how businesses act, ensure fair competition, and protect consumers and the economy. For legal pros in the corporate world, knowing all about competition and its economic effects is a big thing. Welcome to the ABC Learning course on competition law and economics. This course will explore the dynamic field of competition regulation and its intersection with economic principles. Get ready for a deep dive into the key concepts, policies, and practices governing market competition. In Module 1, we kick things off with competition economics. We will look at the economic approaches used in competition law, understanding how economic theories shape the analysis of competitive behavior. We will dig into important concepts like market power and relevant market, exploring their significance in assessing competition. Plus, we will check out abuse and vertical restraints, examining the types of anti-competitive practices that can harm market dynamics. We will also zoom in on collusions and cartels, understanding how agreements among competitors can mess with fair competition. Moving on to Module 2, we focus on competition policy and law. We will explore the fundamental elements of a market and the concept of market power, understanding how market dynamics and competition impact consumer welfare and economic efficiency. We will look at the role and importance of competition in driving innovation, consumer choice, and economic growth. And guess what? We will uncover the objectives of competition law, like promoting fair competition, preventing anti-competitive practices, and protecting consumers. We will also discuss competition regulators' role in enforcing and ensuring everyone follows the competition rules. Module 3 zooms in on anti-competitive agreements and abuse of dominance. We will explore horizontal and vertical agreements, understanding how collaborations and agreements among competitors can either boost competition or mess it up. We will specifically focus on cartels involving coordinated anti-competitive behavior among competitors. Plus, we will dig into the concept of dominance and the abuse of dominant market positions, analyzing the practices that harm competition and consumer welfare. And don't forget the unique challenges competition law faces in digital and e-commerce markets. The competition game is changing in the digital age, and we will explore how. Module 4 shifts our attention to the regulation of combinations. We will explore why mergers and acquisitions are regulated and how they can impact competition. We will check out the mechanisms for notifying proposed combinations and the role of the Competition Commission of India, CCI, in evaluating and either giving the thumbs up or thumbs down to such combinations. Module 5 will focus on practice and procedure in competition law cases. We will study the orders issued by the CCI, understanding the powers and functions of the Director General (DG) and the CCI in enforcing competition law. And hey, let's not forget about the complexities surrounding jurisdiction in competition cases. It can get tricky when dealing with competition issues that cross borders. Throughout this course, we will provide real-world examples and case studies to show you how competition law and economic principles come to life. Our goal is to equip you with a comprehensive understanding of competition law, its economic foundations, and how it all plays out in promoting fair and competitive markets. By understanding the intricacies of competition law and economics, you will have the tools to advise corporate clients effectively, spot and tackle anti-competitive risks, and help create fair and competitive marketplaces. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of competition law and economics. Let's go.